Hey everybody, I am making a quick video for those of you that for some reason can't access Lizzy's kitchen. I got a couple instant messages, but I'm making homemade spelt pasta, organic whole grain spelt pasta. The difference is that the white spelt, they sift out the bran and something else, but the little brown specks, they sifted out so that it's white. Versus this, it's the whole thing. It's the entire spelt berry grounded up. So basically, you've got 2 cups of spelt flour, and then you're going to have 3/4 cup of water. You're going to take that water and slowly mix it into the flour, because you're going to get this when you're done. This beautiful ball of dough. Okay. I did mine before. I didn't have time to record it. I'm sorry, guys. But what you do once you have your dough ball, cut a piece of it off. I'm still making my pasta, so this has to stay wrapped up pretty tightly. You don't want to mess up your dough. But you roll it out and you slice it. I just used my mom's pizza cutter from Wells Fargo. It's a regular pizza cutter. I didn't use anything fancy. And I got these with it. You can kind of see the process. This is not traditional spelt pasta. This is crusted spelt pasta. There's a difference. If you want, I'm making mine for like a nutty type salad thing, so I want my pasta to have a little bit more texture. I don't want that smoothness. So I crusted it. How you do that, you just put a little bit of extra spelt. You can't do this with white spelt as far as I know. You can only do it with regular spelt. But you just put a little bit of extra spelt down here, and when you cut it, it presses on it and it crusts itself. I already ate a bowl of fresh pasta this morning. It was really good, y'all. Crusted version. Now that over there is going to be for the traditional pasta that I know my kid is going to eat. Regular smooth pasta. But I don't have a pasta dryer yet. So what I did is I put 2 cups. And this is my mom's paper towel rack, guys. This is a paper towel rack that I flipped horizontally, and I've got the pasta hanging on it. Because you don't want to use something that has an edge to dry your pasta. You want the rounded curve, or else your pasta is going to snap in 2. I learned that the hard way with my first couple pieces. But if you're going to cook it fresh, drop it straight into boiling water. You don't need to add salt if you don't want. Salt's already in it. If you're going to let it dry out, just let it dry out. These will be dry in about 3 hours, and then I'll be able to put them inside of a jar and save them for later. Or if I wanted the pasta, but I didn't have time to make it tonight, I could just make the fresh pasta, sit it here, y'all, let it dry. And tonight, when it comes time for dinner, drop it in. That's just if you don't have time to roll and make your pasta right before dinner. But, I'm going to eat another bowl here in a minute, and I'll take a picture for you guys. I love y'all. God bless. Namaste. Excuse the music in the background. My baby's doing her sign language videos right now. But yeah, I will be back later with some more pasta tricks and tips, and thanks for visiting Lizzy's kitchen.